Matthew Morrison with Pale Horse Investigations, and today we have an unboxing video. A first unboxing video of hopefully many. So this will be vlog number 4 for you guys who are keeping count. And we will be unboxing the Lore Loot Crate today. I'm a big fan of lore, the podcast that is, and any type of lore altogether. I like the Lore podcast by Aaron Mahnke because I like how factual it is and how much research he really puts into it and how long it really takes him to delve into all these different types of lore and how he presents it in a way that's understandable for the listener and really helps capture the way that the lore actually supposedly happened. It really gives it a story behind it and helps you understand maybe what the people were thinking at the time that the different types of stories came about. So here's a big shout out to Aaron Mahnke, and I will be opening one of his loot boxes today. So here is the loot box and how it came in the mail. Looks like it got a little bit roughed up just from shipping. Not too bad though, but I really like the icons that it has on it and just the way it looks. So this is the October Lore Shop loot box for 2018. In case you all are wondering, I have no idea what's in this. So I'm about to open it up for the first time and we're gonna find out. Oh, it looks like I get a t-shirt. Nice. I was actually thinking about buying one of his t-shirts. So I get a t-shirt. We'll check that out in a second. And then I get, it looks like a lighthouse that says Lore pin on it, and it's got a little ghost on it. That's pretty cool. And then we get Echoes from the Echoes podcast, where he talks about the echoes from a haunted mine. That's pretty cool. And then it looks like we get, there's like a sticker. Yeah, a couple stickers. I'm guessing this is what's on the shirt. It's pretty cool. It looks like a haunted house with a ghost and a moon and a light up room. I wonder why that one room is lit up. I wonder what he had going with that. Oh, and we get a passport. That's pretty cool. Dreadful Places. Passport to Dreadful Places. This haunted passport belongs to, you get to write your name in it, Savannah, Georgia. Visit one of the most haunted cities in America. Stamp your passport, affix a picture from this dreadful place. A chilling sight to behold. Stamp your passport, affix a picture of this from this dreadful place. That's cool. So you can actually go to these places, or he's suggesting you go to these places and visit the cursed grave of Midnight Mary. That'd be really cool to visit some of these places. The World of Lore, Dreadful Places by Aaron Mahnke. And then we get a really cool button. Love it. That's pretty cool. And then what else do we get? We also get this. Every now and then horror is born where the light is brightest. This is lore. And that does appear to be, yes, an actual signature. As you can see from the indentation from where he signed it. Nice. So that's pretty cool. I get an autographed Aaron Mahnke thing. Lore Mystery Box. October 2018, Dreadful Places. History slips away. It fades into the back of our minds, much the same way it sinks beneath our feet. Humans are good at a lot of things, but forgetting is one of our crowning achievements. But there are always clues if you know where to look for them. So cool. And that's the box. So I'll show off the t-shirt in just a second. Okay, so here's the t-shirt, guys. Let's see what we got here. Yes, it is that house. Just like the sticker. I was hoping maybe it would say lore on it, but doesn't look like it does. But I think it's interesting. It's by Gildan, which is a nice t-shirt brand. It's a heavy cotton tearaway. It's made in Haiti. And then it looks like they just screen printed this image on. And I'm guessing this color is most likely glow in the dark. Kind of looks like it. Possibly, it's hard to tell. But yeah, I like it. It's a pretty cool t-shirt. So feel free to tune in next time, guys, for the opening of another loot box on one of our vlogs.
This house is haunted.